Hi everyone, my name is Shannon and I'm here today with Superdrug to show you how to create a graphic eyeliner look. So I'm first going to be going in with the L'Oreal Paris foundation to create a nice dewy base. So next I'm going to be going in with the e.l.f. concealer. So I really like to use quite a bright concealer under my eye just because I feel like it lifts the base. To set my base, I'm going to be using the Rimmel Stay Matte powder just on a brush. I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Paris bronzer. With bronzer, I like to go in with really light layers just so you can build it up. I like to put some in the centre of my face as well just to create a nice fluid look. This is my favourite blush from collection. It's a nice dewy finish. So I'm just going to use the same brush that I used for the bronzer and apply it to the high points of my cheeks. Although you've got a nice glowy base from your blush, I'm still going to be applying some of the Revolution highlight. I'm going to be taking this on a bit more of an eyeshadow brush and just apply it to the high points of the face. Now I'm going to be setting my face makeup with the L'Oreal Paris Shape and Glow, and I'm just going to spray that all over my face. What this will do, it will set your makeup and merge everything together nicely. I absolutely love a really fluffy eyebrow, so today I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Cosmetics Clear Brow Gel. Brush it through in upwards motions, really pushing up those brow hairs so you get a nice fluffy brow. To create our graphic liner today, I'm going to be using the Barry M water activated eyeliners in a lilac and a pink. Starting from the outside corner of your eye, we're going to drag it towards the brow bone. For the next part of the look, you're going to need a small mirror to hand, and you're going to take the same colour as you've already got in your eye, and we're just going to follow just above the crease and create a nice crisp line. So you now want to pick up the pink. I'm going to continue following the line into the inner corner. To create the nice gradient effect, you're just going to take the same pink colour and drag it over where the purple line is. And for mascara today, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Paris Lash Paradise. To finish the look, I'm going to use a little bit of lip gloss. Because we've got quite a dramatic eye, I wanted to keep it quite neutral on the lip, so lip gloss is perfect as well. And that's the finished look. I hope you enjoyed it. It's a really simple eye look that you can create at home using Superdrug's products, and thanks for watching. Bye!